Imagine transforming your plain CV into a stunning, responsive portfolio in less than 10 minutes. In this video, I will show you how to combine the power of AI like ChatGPT and Bolt.new to create a portfolio that stands out and leaves lasting impressions. Let's get started. A CV is great for listing your qualification, but it doesn't always tell the full story. That's where a portfolio comes in. It's a dynamic and interactive way to showcase your work, highlight your achievements, and demonstrate your skills in action. While a CV provides facts, a portfolio brings your expertise live whether showcasing project, visual, or client testimonial. It's your chance to stand out in a competitive market, impress employers, and build professional brand that goes beyond paper. The first step is to use ChatGPT to generate a structure for your portfolio. I started by attaching a CV and asking it this simple instruction. Prompt me this attachment. I will use it to create a portfolio for it. Provide all the instructions very well for a futuristic, responsive design. ChatGPT analyzed the CV and gave me a detailed breakdown of how the portfolio should look, including sections like Hero section, About section, Skills section, Experience section, Contact section. It's even suggested design ideas like using a dark theme to make it futuristic and responsive. With this clear plan in hand, I was ready for the next step. Next, I turned to Bolt.new to bring the design to life. Bolt.new is an AI-powered platform that lets you create a professional portfolio quickly and easily. I simply copied the structured prompt provided by ChatGPT and pasted it into Bolt.new. I delete the fifth part because Bolt.new knew which programming language and technology must it use. Mine based on the weak internet speed it loading slowly, but it will work better for you without any errors if your internet is working fast. Now it is making the project. I speed it up, so it takes some time to create it. Oh, it indicates an error. Simply just copy the error and paste it in the chat, and Boot will solve the error and start making the portfolio again. It generated a complete, responsive portfolio for me in minutes. Here's what the portfolio included. A sleek hero section with the person name and tagline. An about section that told a story at a glance. An interactive skills section with glowing progress bars. A professional timeline showcasing career achievements. A flashcard showing educational background, and a contact section with links to email and social profiles. But I wanted to customize the design further. I asked Bolt.new to make a specific change. Update the dark and light mode toggles so that the button turned white when on the dark theme. The response was fantastic. Bolt.new implemented the change seamlessly. Bolt.new implemented the change seamlessly, making the portfolio look even more polished and user-friendly. And that's it. With ChatGPT and Bolt.new, creating a futuristic, responsive portfolio has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share your own portfolio building experiences in the comment below. Check the description for the tool I use, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more quick and practical tech tutorials.